Hi, I am Gail of 876 Documents, and I've been going through all the citizenship test questions, that is the U.S. citizenship tests, for my fellow Jamaicans who would like to go for their U.S. citizenship. All right, so we have gone to question number 40, and now we continue with question number 41. And these questions are on the topic of system of government. I have gone up to question number 40, and I will pick up from question number 41. The test has 100 questions. There will be 10 questions chosen randomly, and you'll be expected to get 6 right. If you are above a certain age or have a reading difficulty, there are allowances for you as far as the written test or the test of reading. I will go through what those allowances are based on age. There are also some questions that you will not be asked depending on your age. Again, I will go through those in another video. But now we're continuing with system of government, and we're starting with question number 41. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? To print money, to declare war, to create an army, and to make treaties. Question number 42. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? One power. Provide schooling and education. Provide protection, that is through the police. Provide safety, through the fire department. To give a driver's license, and approve zoning and land use. And these are state powers. Question number 43. Who is the governor of your state now? Now, again, this, like the previous ones, will vary depending on where you live and when you're taking this test. So this is one you're going to have to Google. I believe Kathy Hochul is the governor of my state. I hope that hasn't changed. Question number 44. What is the capital of your state? This will vary. You must know the capital of the state you live in. The capital of the state I live in at the moment is Albany, because I currently live in New York. Question number 45. What are two major political parties in the United States? What are the two major political parties in the United States? The Democratic and the Republican. What is the political party of the president now? Again, this will depend on the year. At the moment, the president is Joseph Biden, and so the Democratic Party is in power. Question number 47. What is the name of the Speaker of the House? What is the name of the Speaker of the House? So when I first did this question, it was Nancy Pelosi, but now it's Kevin McCarthy, and this could change when you are taking your test. That was question number 47, and that was under the system of government. Now we're moving into rights and responsibilities. Question number 48. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Citizens 18 and older can vote. You don't have to pay to vote. Any citizen can vote, and a male citizen of any race can vote. Question number 49. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? To serve on a jury and to vote in a federal election. Question number 50. Name one right only for U.S. citizens: to vote in a federal election and to run for federal office. Question number 51. What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States? You have freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom to petition the government, freedom of religion, and the right to bear arms. Question number 52. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? When we say the Pledge of Allegiance, we are pledging our loyalty to the United States or to the flag. Question number 53. What is one promise we make when we become a U.S. citizen? We give up loyalty to other countries. We defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States. We obey the laws of the United States. We serve in the U.S. military. We serve the nation. and we are loyal to the United States. Question number 54. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? 18. Question 55. What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? 1, they can vote, join a political party, help with a campaign, join a civic group, join a community group, give an elected official their opinion on an issue, call senators and representatives, publicly support or oppose an issue or policy, run for office, or write to a newspaper. Question number 56. When is the last day you can send in your federal income tax? April 15. Question number 57. When must all men register for the selective service? At the age of 18 or between 18 and 26. I'm Gail. Thanks for watching.